Hi, I'm Michael Pataglia from DRP Solutions, back at it again with episode 2 of our video series about productivity. Today my focus is on Microsoft's Office Suite. We will start with Outlook first. A great tool for scheduling meetings is an add-in called FindTime. With FindTime, you can propose multiple time slots for a meeting, allowing members to come to a group consensus. The second application we'll look at is Word. With the most recent version of Word, there's a built-in tool called Dictate that will allow you to speak into a microphone and type out that text. Switching over to Excel, an option that I frequently use is removing duplicate data. Just select the column, and in the top ribbon bar, select Remove Duplicates. Finally, in PowerPoint, you can now add stock images. Under Insert, Pictures, there's a stock image button, and you're able to search for relevant pictures. That concludes our second tutorial. If you want more productivity tips, follow us on social media and stay tuned for the next episode.